This is one of Xinhs' latest release cables. Xinhs is looking to dominate the cable world and enter the IEM world. The link is available in the description. You can check for the best price. Is Xinhs a good brand? Xinhs is a professional brand dedicated to creating high-quality upgrade cables for in-ear monitors, IEMs. Xinhs is committed to providing exceptional performance and reliability in every cable it produces. What about its build quality? Well, the quality of this cable exceeds expectations. Aesthetics are well thought out with mirror-polished metal, Y-shaped splits and plugs. This goes really well with the overall color scheme of the cable, and I think the pictures speak for themselves. The headband feels good in the hand and is sufficiently firm. The entire cable is still very flexible and flexible. Its performance. The cable is not too stiff, and the ear guides are not too stiff, so they fit well in my ears. The best part is that if you don't need or don't like the heat shrink guides, you can request that they come without cables. Xinhs cable. More features. Xinhs cable has more features, including a 4-strand graphene alloy, silver-plated cable. The diameter of each core is 1.2 millimeters gold-plated carbon fiber plug with stable connection and fast data transfer speed. Use a 4.4 millimeter gold-plated plug. Most DACs, PCs, and computers have plugs of this size. In terms of sound quality, the resolution of the headphones is greatly improved, and the frequency range is expanded, showing rich musical details, delicate and natural sound, and round and rich sound transparency. Overall, combined with its very reasonable price, Xinhs is one of the best budget cable replacements out there. That's it for today's rundown. We hope this helps you choose the right one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. See you in the next one.